back guys in another new tutorial. In this tutorial I will teach you how to install the specific package. In my case I want to install the tar package in the Kali Linux. So without wasting any time, just go to the terminal and just zoom in, Control++. Okay, now if I will write service tar status unit tar.service couldn't be found. This is because I haven't installed any kind of package named tar. Okay, so how can I install that? There is a simple command apt-install tar. What does apt stand for? Apt is advanced package tool. It is you can say an interface to install any kind of package related to the desired application or any services. Okay, in my case I want to install the tar for the proxy chains services, so let's just hit enter. Okay, sorry, I named that wrong, I spelled that wrong. Install. Now that's great, just press Y and enter. Now as you can see, it will start downloading the tar packages for us. Okay, just wait for a while, depending on the speed of your internet in your machine and its progress. Now tar package is successfully installed. Now let me just clear the screen. So how can I check that tar service is installed or not? Just simply service tar status. Now you can see we have the tar service and ready to use. To initiate the tar service, just simply service start. Okay, service tar start. Now it is successfully processing, ready for processing. Okay, so that's how you can install any kind of package. Now another question people usually ask about how to remove the specific package. In my case I will uninstall the tar package. So how can I uninstall that? Just simply apt is let me just clear that out first. So apt-get remove tar. Now it will ask you to whether you want to continue. Obviously yes, I want to uninstall that. Yes. Now it has been uninstalled. Let me clear that. Now again, if I write service tar status, now you can see sorry, tar, I don't know, there is a, okay, as you can see still it is showing that service is still available. Why? Because we haven't deleted the configuration file of our tar service. Okay, so in order to completely remove that tar service, I will just simply close that. Now again I will simply write apt-get purge including tar. It will remove completely the configuration files as well. Okay, tar, yes. Now clear the screen. Now if you will try tar status, service couldn't be found. So that's how you can install and uninstall any kind of package in Kali Linux. If you like my service, please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.